Hey guys, it's Chris from 509 BMX Restoration, and this is our official YouTube bike check for this Auburn we just did for a customer out of New York. Turned out awesome, dude. Um, so if you've been following along on our socials, we're on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all those, or you just been following along on YouTube. We started off with a frame. Just had a frame. I've had it hanging on my wall for a long time. And a customer wanted to do an Auburn. So I sold him mine for the project. So I took it apart. I decontaminated the chrome. I polished it, did all that. Took the rear link and took it to powder coat. Where it was sandblasted, powder coated, all that, like a really cool purple that flops in the sun a little. Put it back together with all new hardware and all new decals from Elite BMX decals. Turned out sweet. So yeah, we'll go over some more parts here. I got the wheels from Powers. I had them build up TNT hoops to TNT hubs with laser spokes and purple nipples. And then we put the Billet BMX purple Anno GT dice on there. And then we wrapped them in the authentic Comp 3 Tioga tires. And then let's see, we'll go to cranks. We did the GT Power Series cranks with the purple cages. We got this NOS GT Overdrive chainring. Super hard find, but it really pulls everything together, man. It's a showpiece right there. Then with the chrome chain and a purple Technique bottom bracket, 22 millimeter. Then we got the Billet BMX and GT collaboration chain tensioners. Super nice. We did chrome against the purple, and then with purple TNT hardware. Theory Rattlesnake driver freewheel. Nice and loud, lots of performance to get you down the track or just the neighborhood. Then we went with Technique also on the brakes. We did chrome techniques against the purple. Looks really nice. I'm glad I went that way. Purple brakes against the purple would have been just too much. The chrome really makes everything pop. We went with TNT purple Anno clamp, a laid back seat post with a Tioga spider seat. It's got the nice green there. We got pad set from Flight BMX. They hooked us up with some pads. Perfect for these 90s Auburn builds. The new piston stem, purple Anno, Gary Turner and Billet BMX collaboration piston stem. Super trick. This whole cap comes off and then you have your bolts. This is such a clean look. And if anybody's wondering about their parts, super high-end, super good stuff. The fit and finish on the Anno, the machine, just everything, the logos on here engraved with Gary Turner's signature. Because we got the brake lever to go with it also. We did the purple on the chrome bars. Just super good quality stuff. Because there's certain builds, you want this colorful stuff for your 90s bikes. I know there's people, they don't like new parts on old bikes, but these fit the bill for me. And because I want quality bikes that you can rip down the racetrack Or if you're going to just have it sit in your man cave, I don't care. But if somebody ever decides to get on this and rip it, they can. That's how I build my bikes. The naysayers, they're always going to be there, and that's all right, man. Um, we all have our own beliefs when it comes to this stuff and style. And I like kind of loud but fast, you know. Um, so all this anno stuff for the 90s is great. One of these stems, old school BMX, GT stems. Good luck finding a purple one. Yeah, a crappy one's a couple $100. You can get one of these for a couple $100, mint condition, brand new, and it's ready to go down the track or the bike show. You cannot go wrong with this, I promise you. I'm not affiliated with Morgan or his company in any way, but I really am excited that I got to try his parts out finally. I've been just waiting for the perfect build, the perfect storm, and they're awesome. So don't nobody knock those, please. They did a great job on that collaboration, and I'm a big fan of both of them. We got TNT bars on here with the oval top tube here. It gives that C-bar look that everybody's after. Those are crazy, $400 or $500 for a set of bars, and they're not even going to be mint condition. So these TNT bars, they look great. They're the right shape, size. Throw a pair of these 8.5s on any 90s build, and it's going to look great. You can't tell, man. You can't tell. They're great bars. We got the Amy grips. We got Amy's waffle grips, kind of like a moto style grip. They feel super good. Like I really like these. And I think that's about it on our bike check, guys. If you're ever interested in getting a bike done, just hit me up and I can do this for you. This is what I do. Or if you just want to drop me a line on maybe a video you would like to see, then go ahead, do that too. Put them in the comments or message me anywhere on social media and be like, hey man, it'd be cool to do a video on this. I need some help. I'll do up a video for you, help you out. I did quite a few on this. I didn't do as many as I planned on, but we are on a time crunch here, and we needed to get this done before Dirty Fest and out of our way and to our customer, where he can enjoy it for the rest of his life. He ain't letting this go, and if he does, I'm buying it back. So yeah, guys, thanks for following along, checking out what I do on the daily, and hopefully you watch some more and follow along. Have a good one, and I really appreciate you guys.